myself JVN Neha Saini, demonstrator anatomy from the Faculty of Homeopathic Science. Today I am going to discuss about the anatomy of the kidney. Kidneys are the bean-shaped organs. These are the excretory organs of the human body. They are located at the posterior abdominal wall from the vertebral level of T12 to L3. Now the anatomical features of a kidney are, it has the two poles. This is the upper pole, this is the lower pole of the kidney. The upper pole of the kidney is pointed, as we can see in the specimen, and the lower pole is broad. On the upper pole we have a gland known as suprarenal gland. This is the suprarenal gland located at the upper pole of the kidney. We have two surfaces over the kidney. This is the anterior surface of the kidney, which is convex. This is the posterior surface of the kidney, which is flat. Kidney has two borders, the lateral and the medial border. This is the lateral border of the kidney. This is the medial border of the kidney. Medial border of kidney has an hilum. This is the hilum of the kidney on the medial border. At the medial border, this hilum shows three structures. The vein, this is the renal vein, the artery, this is the renal artery, and this is the pelvis of ureter. These structures help to determine the side of the kidney. As human beings have two kidneys, one on the right, one on the left. So we have to decide the specimen which is of right side or left side. The kidney in my hand, it is of right sided. How we can determine the side? With the help of these structures at the hilum. From anterior to posterior side, these structures are anteriorly we have the renal vein. On the posterior aspect of it we have the renal artery, and the posterior most structure, it is the renal pelvis. Means the vein, the artery, the pelvis. VAP. These structures determine the side of the kidney. This kidney, it is of right side, and this kidney, it is of left side. With the help of the structures at the hilum, as we have discussed earlier, the anterior most structures, it is the renal vein. Behind it we have the renal artery, and this is the pelvis of ureter, which is directed downwards. These structures are located from anterior to posterior side. So this is of left sided kidney. Now the internal features of a kidney, we have given a longitudinal incision over the lateral border of the kidney, and we open it to see the interior view of the kidney. Kidney is divided into two structures, the outer cortex and the inner medulla. The medulla is divided into the pyramidal structures. These are known as renal pyramids. The structure enters into the minor calyx. This minor calyx opens into the major calyx. This is the major calyx. This major calyx ultimately drains into the pelvis of ureter. This is the pelvis of ureter. It is directed downwards. At the lower pole of the kidney, the pelvis of ureter continues as the ureter of the kidney. Now the posterior relations of the kidney. This is the posterior view of the kidney, which is flat. On the posterior aspect, we have some structures which are related to the kidney. At the upper aspect, the kidney is related to the diaphragm. Below it, we have three muscles, two longitudinal muscle and one transverse muscle. On the medial aspect, the longitudinal muscle is the psoas major. Lateral to the psoas major, we have quadratus lumborum, and lateralmost muscle, which is transversely, it is the transversus abdominis muscle. Along with that, we have two nerves also, iliohypogastric and ilioinguinal nerve, which arises between the psoas major and the quadratus lumborum. Also, on the right side, we have one rib, that is the 12th rib, which is located just behind this on the posterior surface of the kidney. And in case of left sided kidney, we have two ribs, 11th and the 12th rib. On the anterior surface, this upper aspect of the kidney is related with the liver, and this lower aspect is related to the colon, and this medial aspect is related to the duodenum, second part of duodenum. In case of left sided kidney, this upper area is related to the stomach, This lateral area is related to the spleen. This small medial area is related to the pancreas. The lower lateral portion is related to the colon, and the medial portion is related to the small intestine. So these were the relations of the kidney on the anterior surface. Thank you.